Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be touring some $1,000,000 homes. Yep, you heard me. We're going to be touring a few different $1,000,000 homes. This is a quick overview of what this street looks like, and they're doing a parade of homes, and so we're just going to go inside and give you all a closer look as well as a couple of specs on them. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're at house number 1. Hi, how are you?
Welcome to KR Manor.
Thank you. Pretty. Look at the chandelier. What is this? Oh, coat closet. Okay, so 2 coat closets. Cool. Wow. Someone loves horses. I need to figure out how do I... Okay, that's cute. I like that. Oh, this is pretty. Washer dryer. So, wow. So you would have your office where the washer and dryer is? I don't know about that. Oh, that's cute. Look at this. I like the sink. I like that. Huh? Look over here, Tyler. Now this is a built-in thing, like how the guy was trying to do. I'm supposed to have a stove, a fridge next to it. Open this for me. Wow, look at that. That's a big boy. See, this is how it's supposed to be. That's a mask. Look. Is that a mask? I don't know what that is. Oh look, and then you have your TV out here that can swivel to, yeah, your friends are out here at the table. What? Yeah. Dang, my battery's about to die. This is beautiful. I wonder what's in that door or back here. Oh. Cool.
I guess there's all the lodge.
Yeah. Beautiful. Waterfalls. I bet that's deep. How deep do you think that is?
Probably like 8, 9.
Oh, I couldn't swim in that part. Oh, and I like the little courtyard area. How cute is that? I don't think you can go out this way or come in. Oh, you can. See, this would be the office. And that's nice because look at your view. Oh, it would be better if you had a pool view. Oops. That's cute.
Oh, yeah.
And the floor is pretty. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, I remember all of that.
That. Look at the shower. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the carpet. Yeah. Hermes. Oh, look at that. I wonder, is it real? You think these are real books? Let me see. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. Is it just advertisements or? Interesting. Nice. This looks like the house, Tyler, that is I like the beams. You see the beams going across? Beautiful. Oh, look at the fridge. I didn't even get a chance to look in the fridge. I like those plates. It's so cute. Wow. So this is probably where you prepare the food. Whoa, look at the garage. It's like a 5-car garage. I actually come in right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4-car garage. Oh look, they have pretend stuff. Wow. Half bath. Or is it soft? Come in through the door. People don't have to like see your house. They just come in right here. And then you can have the rest of the house to do whatever. Nice. Love it. I like this bed. Look, the stairs. You can go on. Oh, there's just like string lights underneath it.
Yeah.
Kind of. Oh, entertainment room. Wow, it's like a movie theater. Look. Oh my goodness. It says it's set up for old people. I love it. I don't know what they're talking about, old people. Oh, storage?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice. Someone can have their own apartment. Oh, more storage. Because the storage up there is just like that. Closet.
Okay, so it opens out. Cool. I stopped counting the bedrooms, so I don't know how many. 5? I stopped counting them. I have no clue. It's gotta be more than 5. Because we went through so many bathrooms and bedrooms. I don't know how many.
Like how you slam the door.
You said on our house? Did you say on our house? Cool.
Alright guys, that's it for house number 1. We have wrapped it up. If you have stayed with us all the way to the end, give me a thumbs up and let me know what was your favorite part about this house and which one is your favorite house. Stay tuned because we have a couple more houses to do coming up soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.